Hello everybody. So today we shall start with the first unit in biology PUC first year science, that is diversity in the living world. So the meaning of diversity here. Diversity means variety of organisms that exist on the earth. So this we can call it as living world, means different organisms which are present on the earth. They form the living world. Now in this unit we shall consider chapter 2, that is biological classification. So here biological classification means classification of organisms, right? So here organisms, what do you mean by organisms? All living things, right? All living things are called organisms, right? Now these organisms, they are of different types. Now for example, bacteria, right? Bacteria are organisms. Then there are unicellular eukaryotes like amoeba. Then there are different fungi. Then there are different plants and even animals. So all these living things, they are known as organisms, right? So biological classification, it is the classification of organisms, right? Classification of organisms into different groups. Now here we shall discuss two types of classification systems. So they are one is the two kingdom classification. Now this two kingdom classification, it was proposed by Linnaeus. This system of classification was proposed by Linnaeus. Now what this two kingdom classification says? It says that organisms are divided into two groups or two kingdoms, right? And those two kingdoms, so these are the two kingdoms or two groups. One group or one kingdom is Plantae, another kingdom is Animalia. So kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia, right? They form a type of classification that is called two kingdom classification, which was given by Linnaeus. So kingdom Plantae, it includes all plants, whereas kingdom Animalia, it includes all animals. So this is the two kingdom classification. Now this two kingdom classification, it was very old, a old type of classification which did not include the other organisms, right? So another type of classification system, that is called five kingdom classification. The five kingdom classification. So this five kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whitaker. Right? It was proposed by R.H. Whitaker. Now this five kingdom classification, here all organisms, they are divided into different groups, right? So mainly five groups. So Whitaker divided all organisms into five groups and he called each group as a kingdom. That's why it is called five kingdom classification. So here the different groups, they include the first one, that is Monera. Then second kingdom is Protista. Then there is another one that is called Mycota. Then after that there is Plantae. And finally Animalia. So these are the 5 groups or 5 kingdoms which were classified by R.H. Whitaker. So here the first kingdom is Monera. Then there is second kingdom, that is called Protista. The third one is Mycota. The next one is Plantae. And finally the last one is Animalia. Now Monera. Now this group, Monera, it included all bacteria. Right? All bacteria were included in a single group called Monera. Then this group Protista, it included what type of organisms? So it included all unicellular, eukaryotes. Right? The meaning of this I will tell you in the next part. Then Mycota. So kingdom Mycota, it included all fungi. Right? One common example of fungus is yeast. Then the next kingdom in this system of classification is kingdom Plantae. Now kingdom Plantae, it included all plants. And the last one, that is kingdom Animalia. This kingdom included all animals. So this is called 5 kingdom classification, right? So these are the 2 classification systems, right, which come under the biological classification. So here you may expect certain questions, right? What is 2 kingdom classification, or who proposed 2 kingdom classification? Similarly, you may expect a question, what is 5 kingdom classification, or mention the kingdoms that come under 5 kingdom classification. So you have to mention these kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Mycota, Plantae and Animalia. Even you may expect a question, who proposed 5 kingdom classification. So you have to write, it was proposed by R.H. Whitaker.